Let's talk about a typical workflow when we're gonna do some Photoshop work in class. So most of the time I provide you the files. You're gonna download it and then upload it to your Google Drive. This is specific to Chromebook users, okay, or people that are using the Chromebook operating system. So first you're gonna start by downloading the files which I provide. And then you'll open in a separate tab or window your Google Drive. And inside your Google Drive, you should create a new folder, name it number 1 Photoshop files. So let's see how it looks in practice. So I have my Google Drive open in a separate tab. And remember I said you're going to create a new folder which you will name. So I'm clicking on there. I'll name this new folder right there. I'll name this new folder the number 1 and then Photoshop files. The reason I'm choosing number 1 is because this will force the appearance of it will force the creation of the file at the very top of your hierarchy here. You'll see how this is Photoshop files. It's on the very top right there. That forces it to be right there. You see number 1. Okay, so you don't actually have to scroll anywhere to look for your files. See, that's the beauty of it. So once you have the folder open, there's nothing in there, so you're inside that folder which is blank. Then you're going to come to click plus file upload. Now on a Chromebook, all your files live in your downloads folder. So right now I have those files. If you look at the example files in class right here, these are the ones that I wanted you to download and upload to your Google Drive, right? They're named appropriately like this. So I'll switch back to my Google Drive, and now I'm going to add those files. So I'll click plus file upload, and once I'm there, I'll just pick out those files. I know that those files are not going to be next to each other, so I'm going to hold down the control key and click on this one. And then I'll scroll, and I know it's this one and then this. So all 3 are selected. Then choose open, and the files are now uploaded to Google Drive, just like that. Okay, those files are going to be ready to use, and when we start the tutorial, that's where they are. All right, under your folder called number 1 Photoshop files.